Hey everyone, in this video, we will learn how to get the Mewing Pin in Brawl Stars. So the first thing that you will need to do is to keep an eye on announcements, social media channels of Brawl Stars for information about special events and challenges. Then participate in the challenge that are part of these events. Completing them will often reward you with unique pins, including the Mewing Pin. Sometimes pins are available as rewards for progressing through the Brawl Pass, so make sure that you check out your Brawl Pass progress, or if you want to make sure that you receive pins and every progress that you have, make sure to subscribe for a Brawl Pass. Occasionally, you can also find these pins sold on bundles on the shop section of Brawl Stars, so make sure to check it out on a daily basis. And that is how you can simply get the Mewing Pin in Brawl Stars. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.